Okay, so this is just test. I'm trying the YouTube Studios live feature for the first time. I'm just testing how well this test works, like the live thing works. So here we have option to share the screen actually. Okay, so I want to share the window of this app we am developing on. Cool. Okay. Yes, this is exactly what we need. Aha. So let me just check this in my phone. Where can I check this? You can just go to studio, content, live. Okay, here is the option. No, there isn't. Should I check in YouTube? On YouTube, where to check, man? Where to check the video? Okay, I will just view my channel. Yes.
View
Ah,
my channel. Yes. My channel.
oops. Just started looping.
Yes. My channel.
Oh, anyway, so this is some app. So as you know, I'm working on this alarm app, which I will be publishing whether I think in this month हो जाएगा तो कर देंगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. I don't know whether I need to keep the language in the English or should I go with the little Hindi kind of a desi. तो भाई साहब तो प्रॉब्लम ये थी इस ऐप में अपने को ना इसमें अलार्म ट्रिगर करना था. तो पहले अलार्म अलार्म ट्रिगर करना बहुत आसान था बट फिलहाल में लाइक गूगल हैज एडेड made some restrictions like the Android thing. We just can't do it easily. So in order to do that, we need to have phone call permissions. The phone call thing to create a full screen alarm. Chalo jo bhi ho, let's we just continue with the code. So basically, we this was just an example, like we are just having an example to trigger an alarm over here. So basically, I'll just decrease my typing sound. Okay, no problem. I think what I can do is so there were two things. The one is I am triggering this alarm with this pending intent. So pending intent has an ID. So if I want to change a specific pending intent, how can I do that exactly? So pending intent has its own unique ID over here, like this. This is the ID. So what I can do, I can basically it's a request code. Okay, I'll just have a request code. I'll just pass it from here, like where I'm passing my minutes. I'll just pass it over here. Okay. So the idea here is I'll be having two buttons. Just to test this out. One button will set the alarm at consider 10:45. So one more button will set the same alarm at 10:47. We will have this one test with the which will be where we will be passing the same request code. In another case, we will be doing the same thing but with different request code just to see whether it is generating two different alarms or whether if the request code is same, is it editing the same thing. Actually, it should work as we are thinking. I don't know whether I'm speaking it right or wrong. Anyway, we'll just what I can do. I will just go to this add group alarm activity here. I will just have two buttons over here. Okay, just two buttons. I'll just okay by button one. I'll just put the wrap content and I will just add a button to be something like okay. How to add the text? We need to write text and I'll just put the text like alarm and I will have one more button with the name alarm 2. Oh, this is just a testing. Okay, in later parts we will remove it. This won't be for the production, like while publishing. So this is just a BTN one. and we are having a BTN 2. Actually, don't want to continue this live thing in English, but still I'm doing it because I am not sure what type of audience are watching. If the audience are more like Hindi, then I will definitely, or even Kannada, because ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, because ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದವನು. That's why. What I mean is I know Kannada. So anyway, I will have just two buttons over here. Okay, button BTN one and BTN one and BTN two. I will just declare. Okay, we just click out and just import it. And what we can do? Where is it? Where is it? So here on create. Okay, clear them. Like I'll just grab them my ID. So I know few of you might be like, oh man, this guy Java. Yes, I do. Actually, they say Kotlin is the official language. But anyway, it depends on you what tech stack you choose because you are the one who is developing at the end of the day. So anyway, one dot set on click listener dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener, and I will have btn 2 also over here. Btn 2 dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. Okay, fine macha. So I'll just grab this alarm from here and I'll just set it over here and this two over here. And what I can do is I will just first I will just comment this out. Okay. After commenting out, I will comment this also because I need two. I need actually two. Alright. Let me just pause. I have a little work. Just pause. How to pause? Okay, I can. Anyway, I will just end this stream here because this is after all this stream was just for testing, like how the setup works, because this is entirely my first time experience with this stream. Anyway, bye bye.